The Management of News Agency of Nigeria (NAN) is to collaborate with a group known as New Nigeria is Possible to promote national unity and cohesion.
We are delighted that you are people of like minds with the News Agency of Nigeria. We promote national unity and national cohesion. I want to assure you that the News Agency of Nigeria will work with you in the lofty goals you have to promote national unity.
And have agreed that we can find out what could be the solution of Nigeria's problem. And we started working on it until we realized that this solution that we seek are in our hands. That time has come when we can take the initiative to correct the wrongs in the society. And since we have been able to bring out clearly what are those things we can begin to do that can bring about a change, hoping that both government, individual, groups, villages, institutions can buy into this ideology, and gradually as we grow, using what we call a national orientation strategy to talk to ourselves and see the areas of changes.
Rebuilding the new Nigeria is not about creating new nation. It's not about creating, no. It's still about transforming ourselves into the kind of